Ever wondered how tiny homes are birthed from mere ideas into tangible realities? It all begins with design and planning. Architects and designers join forces, meticulously crafting blueprints that encapsulate dreams within a small footprint. They juggle space optimization, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, making sure every square inch serves a purpose. It's a process of constant refinement, a dance between vision and practicality. After finalizing the design, the tiny home goes from paper to production. The strength of a tiny home lies in the quality of its materials. High-quality and sustainable materials are the cornerstones of each tiny home. Imagine the durability of steel framing, the warmth of sustainably sourced lumber, the efficiency of energy-conscious windows, and the eco-friendly embrace of green insulation. Each material is chosen not just for its function, but also for its environmental footprint. With materials in hand, it's time to shape them into the components of our tiny home. In the factory, advanced machinery turns raw materials into precision-crafted components. This is where the blueprints come to life, in an intricate dance of cutting and fabrication. Each piece of lumber is cut to exact measurements, metal frames are shaped with precision, and insulation panels are meticulously molded. This process ensures that every component fits together seamlessly, just like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. Meanwhile, the assembly line buzzes with activity. Here, skilled craftsmen and technicians work in unison, methodically constructing the walls, floors, and roofs separately. It's a fascinating process to watch, as each part is meticulously crafted and then assembled to form the skeleton of the tiny home. This step-by-step process is a testament to the power of precision and teamwork in production. Once assembled, it's time to breathe life into our tiny home with utilities. But we'll delve into that in the next scene. For now, let's appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into constructing these petite abodes. A home isn't complete without plumbing, electricity, and HVAC systems. Just like in traditional homes, these essential utilities bring comfort and functionality to tiny homes. Expert technicians carefully install plumbing lines, electrical wiring, and ventilation ducts, ensuring the miniature abode is equipped with modern amenities. This phase is critical as it lays the groundwork for a comfortable, efficient living space, regardless of its size. With utilities in place, we can now focus on making our tiny home feel like a home. The finishing touches are what transform a structure into a cozy, welcoming space. This is where the real charm of a tiny home comes to life. Flooring is laid down, cabinetry is installed, countertops are fitted, and fixtures are added. Each element is chosen with care, reflecting the personality and lifestyle of the future homeowner. Walls are also given a splash of color, or a tasteful wallpaper. With our tiny home now complete, it's time for the final check. Every tiny home must pass a rigorous quality control inspection before it can be called a home. This process scrutinizes every nook and cranny, every fixture and fitting, to ensure they meet the highest standards of craftsmanship and safety. Our eagle-eyed inspectors are trained to identify and address any defects or imperfections, leaving no stone unturned, ensuring the home you receive isn't just tiny, but perfect. Once approved, our tiny home is ready for its biggest adventure yet. From the factory floor to its final destination, our tiny home is ready to make the journey. It's a meticulously managed process, ensuring the tiny home reaches its new address in perfect condition. Transported with care, this compact marvel is then set up according to the owner's specifications. Whether nestled amidst nature or tucked in an urban backyard, every tiny home finds its perfect place. Thus concludes the journey of a tiny home, from a dream in the factory to a reality in its new location.